to Don Omar, Danso Kuduro, let's go Kudozo. It's Spanish. And I've been taking Spanish, so another do. So yes, I'm probably going to be doing this quite a while, just miscellaneous stuff like this. Okay, there it goes. So I'll probably get another song. Not you. Go, Dad. You gotta die too. Like this song. Everybody knows what this song is.
You spin my head right round when you go down, down.
You spin my head right around. Yeah. I might just broken your eardrums or your speakers. I'm probably gonna give you a warning. Whenever I'm gonna do random things like tacos. Everybody likes tacos or hamburgers. Everybody likes hamburgers. But I like hamburgers. For true fan, you have to have like hamburgers and tacos. Nah, just kidding. So
it's 4:30.
It's 4:30 where I started doing this. Don't give me that look. Documentary on Ian Kitan's travels. Or Kitan I travels. Doesn't sound so good. So, toodles.